Hook. I replaced 5 different productivity apps with one tool in 2026, and it completely transformed how I manage my work and business. That tool is Notion AI, and today I'm showing you exactly how to use it from scratch. Introduction. Notion started as a note-taking and project management tool, but with AI built directly into the interface, it has become the most powerful productivity platform available. It replaces your note-taking app, project management tool, document editor, database, and knowledge base all in one place with AI that connects and enhances everything. Getting started. Go to notion.so and create a free account. The free plan is genuinely useful for individuals, and the AI features are available as an add-on for $10 per month. Once you're logged in, you'll see a blank workspace. Start by creating a few pages. One for your projects, one for your notes, and one for your goals. Notion's flexibility means you can organize it exactly how your brain works. AI writing features. Press the space bar on any Notion page to access the AI writing assistant. You can ask it to write anything: meeting summaries, project plans, content outlines, emails, and reports. The AI has full context of everything in your Notion workspace, which means it can reference your previous notes and documents when helping you write new content. AI organization features. The AI autofill feature automatically fills in database properties based on the content of your pages. If you have a content calendar database, the AI can automatically categorize videos, suggest tags, and fill in metadata. The Summarize feature condenses long documents into bullet point summaries instantly. The Action Items feature reads meeting notes and automatically creates a task list. Pro tips. Create a master dashboard page that gives you an overview of all your active projects. Use the AI to create templates for recurring tasks like weekly reviews and project kickoffs. Connect your Notion calendar to see your schedule alongside your tasks and notes. Use the AI Q&A feature to ask questions about anything stored in your workspace. Closing. Notion AI is the productivity tool that makes everything else in your workflow more organized and efficient. The free plan gives you enough to experience how powerful it is before committing to the AI add-on. Start by moving your notes and to-do list into Notion this week, and you'll immediately see the difference. Subscribe for weekly productivity and AI tutorials, and drop a comment telling me which productivity app Notion is going to replace for you.